Heto na panatilihing bukas ang mga mata at basdan ang pagrampa niya. Here's contestant number 1.
So good to be back in Manila. But before my new movie, I have a concert for you guys here in Showtime.
Number 1, Dane Aguirre, ang Ariana Grande ng Makati City.
Yes, hi Ariana.
Hi Ariana. Ariana.
Welcome to Showtime.
Welcome to the Philippines. Thank you. I just flew in from LA today, but
Oh my God, you're our favorite.
Miss Grande, this is Miss Mucho.
Ano ko? Red Horse? Sorry. Ariana.
Yes,
She's been my
Ariana.
favorite for years now. I love your song, especially the Umbrella. I love Umbrella.
Oh, no, that's
Rihanna.
This is Ariana. Yeah.
Iba yun?
Iba yun.
Iba si Rihanna.
She sang Break Free one last time.
Last time.
And she's in a new movie.
Mali ka, Brad! Mali ka!
Ano pala yun?
Iba yun!
Walang siya.
Hindi siya yun, Rihanna yun!
Nakakaya ako tol.
Mali ka, nakakaya ka talaga!
Ba to?
Sino?
Ariana yan!
Bakit sino akala mo?
Jowa ni Chris Brown. Jowa daw ni Chris Brown. Tsura mo.
Nagugulo dyan sa atin.
Oo. So how does it feel being in the Philippines right now? How did you find the country?
I love Manila so much. You guys have the wonderful beaches. I love it all so much. And I love my fellow Arianators!
Oh! Do you need...
Taga-Ateneo pa rin siya.
Yeah. You want... Maybe... You need Ventolin? Yeah.
Ventolin? What's
Parang
that?
inaasbas.
Kasi
Yun talaga speaking voice.
Ganyan yung speaking voice niya. You talk to her because you're the same age, right? Are you the same age? No, I think she's older.
She's older.
Yeah.
Gen Zs.
Are you feeling jet lagged right now?
Not quite, but I'm fine. Thank you, next. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, next.
Thank you,
Thank
next.
you,
Parang crew lang sa McDo, di ba? Thank you, next. Service crew lang sa McDo pala ito.
Di ba sa Chowking ganun?
Pwede rin sa Chowking. Nagsasabi din kami doon ng thank you. Hi, Chowking.
Ginamit pa yung moment ko.
Dapat sa'yo yun eh. Grabe. Sumikoy pa sa'yo.
Ako nag-build up na kinamit.
Ginamit ka. Saksila na monetize.
Okay, so is this your first time in the Philippines? No. This is not your first time. You've been here a couple of times before, right? I've seen her.
Where?
Yeah. In 7-Eleven, she was my chiclet.
Hindi siya yun.
7-Eleven. Yeah, we went to 7-Eleven together in Kamunen. You went to Kamunen, right?
What's that?
Kamunen.
Out of the rain.
Patahian. Maraming patahian.
Yeah, Kamunen with lots of tailored.
After Kamunen is Kamayas.
Kamayas. Yeah, so we love your outfit. There's a lot of dresses like that in the Divisoria.
I love it there.
Yeah, you come to visit Divisoria. That's one of the most popular places in the
They
Philippines.
have luxury brands.
Luxury brands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Gucci with 3 letters C.
Yeah. How's Jopay and Ira?
What?
Jopay.
Hindi
Hindi siya sex bomb. Sorry. Ulo ka nakakayas. Sorry. Sex bomb. So, how long have you been a member of Masculado?
Hindi siya maskulado.
Maskulado.
Yan.
Alam mo, mag-walkout ako. Wala na ako sinabing tama. Yeah, but do you have I have a friend here.
How is your preparation for your movie, Wicked?
Pepper? May paminta pala ito. Nilalagay paminta.
Preparation.
Preparation.
How's your preparation for your
Because
movie,
you have a
Wicked?
movie, right?
Yes, I actually have a movie coming November 22. It's called The Wicked. And I hope you guys come and support. It's directed by John Chu with Cynthia Erivo. I love you all so much. Thank you.
Alam si John Moore.
Your brother.
Yeah, it's my uncle. It's
Ganda
my
yung
uncle.
magsalita, no? Iba talaga yung yung nag-volumes ka pero ayaw mong itulog.
Nilalabanan mo.
Yung labanan, may wandering effect. Alam mo yun?
Ang hirap yun, no?
Yung nag-sleeping pills ka pero nilabanan mo. Ganyan, ganyan.
Pag maglalakad ka, magbulabanan. Gaganon yun.
Oo. Nasa dead end ka na pero hindi pa tapos. Parang haba nito, dead end na to, ha? Lutang na. Yung ganon. So, ask her about her love life.
I have to ask my publicist about that.
Ay, bawal pag-usapan.
Who's your publicist? Chrissy Permin?
Hollywood!
Malay
Hollywood
ko ba kung
siya.
publicist sa Chrissy
Hollywood
Permin?
eh. Hollywood yung publicist ka.
Hollywood siya.
Hollywood? Oh.
So, are you
Yes.
single or dating?
Are you a single? Ano to? Motor?
Single rider.
Are you a single?
Oh, sige.
Single rider.
Sige, sige. Are you Mio?
Motor?
Are you Mio?
Are you a single rider?
Single rider siya.
Gusto ko yung are you a single?
Are you? Aray! Aray ko!
MC.
Klase.
So what's the best thing that you learned about the Philippines?
Mabuhay!
That's the best thing you learn.
So, paano kayo pag nalaglag ka sa building? Ganun lang din siguro yun.
Paano? What's your expression when you're shocked?
Like,
Oh, like that.
How about when you're hungry? How about when you're full?
Mahaba.
How about when you're constipated?
May tono.
like the
How about when you win a lottery?
Ganun lang kasaya.
Ganyan lang. Ano lang, normal.
Mahinahon lang si Ariana.
Chill masyadong ano.
How about when you found out that your lover is cheating on you?
Oh,
Ay, mabait lang din.
pares lang.
Parehas lang nung nanalo sa
Paano
loob.
nakakita lang ng bagong pusa na regalo ng nanay?
Paano?
Yeah. So among your songs, what's your favorite?
My favorite right now is from my recent album, Eternal Sunshine, which is called We Can't Be Friends.
Can we hear a sample from We Can't Be Friends?
I didn't think you'd understand me. How could you ever even try? Don't wanna tiptoe, but I don't wanna hide. But I don't wanna think this.
Siya nga.
Di ba sabi ko siya?
Pakantayin mo.
Ariana Grande.
Pakantayin mo.
Sige.
We can't be friends, but I like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens. Wait until you
Sabi ko sa'yo, siya yun talaga. Hindi tayo nagkakamali, siya talaga yan.
Dalawang isip pa ako kanina. Doon siya. Siya talaga.
Ba't ang itong palaka ka naman?
Oh my God, you sing so well.
Thank you so
You
much.
sing
I was
so
like,
well.
So good.
years of vocal
It sounds
practice.
like you don't have any jet lag.
No, not at all.
I don't have jet lag also.
Why? Where did you come from? Where did you
Where'd you come from?
Why don't have jet lag? Why?
Why?
I don't have jet lag. I went to Thailand,
Okay.
and when I came back, I was surprised. Oh my God, I don't have jet lag. Yeah. But before, I used to have
before.
Jet lag.
jet
But
lag.
now,
No,
it's just the same.
Sometimes I miss my jet. Yeah, because when you have jet lag, it feels like, oh, you travel.
Yeah.
But I don't jet.
But now,
You will meet.
I don't have jet lag anymore.
but you'll have jet lag soon because
You
you're
have jet
traveling
lag.
Yes,
We're gonna
US.
go to-
I miss experiencing jet lag.
Yes.
So I'm so looking forward to going back to the States.
You're gonna
on
go
the
to her.
18th.
yeah.
Are you gonna be in LA on the 18th?
No, I'm gonna be in UK because I'm working on my movie, The Wicked.
Sayang.
Yeah.
sayang.
I'm so sad because on the 18th, I'm gonna be in US, but you're gonna be in UK.
I'm gonna be busy because of my movie.
Lumaban na.
I'm gonna be in UK.
Yeah, why are you going to UK? Are you going to buy extra sleeping pills?
I have a movie.
Oh, you have a movie. It's not finished yet.
November 22.
It's going to be shown on November 22.
Yes.
That's
The
why you're flying to
Wicked.
the UK on
Yes.
the 18th
Yes.
of this month. Why so soon?
What?
Huh? Because your movie is going to be shown on November, right?
Yes.
But you're going to UK as early as September.
Yeah, because we're still working on the promotions and everything, the marketing materials. Yeah.
They're still working on the promotions and everything with Love on You Bear and everything. Love on You Bear.
And everything.
Yes. Diba nag-post yung sila on You Bear?
Sila on You Bear.
Oh, and everything. Yes.
Si Ariana Grande.
We're so looking forward to seeing your movie.
You're so busy. Good thing you have a time to join Kaloka
Of
Live.
course, anything for Showtime.
And your hairstyles are the same.
Your hairstyle. I want to change now because I'm Kim Chu.
What do you
not
call that
Ariana
hairstyle?
Grande.
What?
What do you call that hairstyle?
I'm a high pony.
Pony daw, pony!
Oh!
What do you call that?
High pony.
What is it again?
High pony. High pony.
Ay, pony daw, grabe mo!
Papa mo na wala ka to.
No pony ka lang?
Papa mo to wala ka.
Di no pony ka lang?
I used to have high pony also.
Really?
Over here. But it receded. So it's over here now.
So you're a unicorn.
What do you
Yeah.
call
A
them?
unicorn.
Yeah, now I'm a unicorn. I used to be a pony, but now I'm a unicorn.
Oh,
May tinatanong si Bestie sa'yo, ate.
Yeah.
Wala. No, I'm not asking any question about
You
the pony.
don't question that anymore.
We don't question the pony, high pony, low pony.
Yeah, but we're so happy that you're here.
Thank
You
you
know,
so
your
much.
fans in the Philippines have been
Yes.
dying to see you in person.
Thank you
When was
so
the last time you were
much.
here?
Huh?
When was the last time you were here?
Huh?
Don't ha-ha me.
Nahuli siya. Huh?
A decade.
A decade ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, a decade ago.
10 years.
During the
Yeah.
break-free moments.
Yeah, that was my
Yeah.
Yes. So amazing. Congratulations.
She sings her songs.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I love your songs.
I love you so much. Thank
Really? You
you.
know me?
Now I do, yes.
Famous.
I'm Kim Chu. I'm the brother of your director.
John Chu.
Oh, wow.
John Chu.
John Chu.
Small world.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a small world after all.
I love that.
Yeah. You know, I'm so amazed, ha? You don't talk with your mouth, you talk with your nose.
Actually,
Baka may sipon. Baka may lulubo na.
Yeah, very good. You're very beautiful.
Thank you. Oh my God, thank you.
Ang arte mo. Ay, sorry. Ariana yan!
Kita natin yan.
Bigla ka to.
Ariana to.
Ariana yan.
Binigwasan mo
Si
yan.
Ariana pala.
Bigwasan si
We
Ariana.
love Ariana. We love Ariana.
Thank you so much, Ariana Grande. And now, alamin na natin kung ano ang tingin ng madalang people kay contestant number 1 mula kina Ryan and Ion.
Thank you, Kim Chu.
Dati tanongin natin yung opinion ng Madalang People! Madalang People!
Kaloka or kaloka live? Wow!
Maraming kalokalay. Dati may nakita ko. Ariana
sige, dyan tayo.
Grande din.
Nasaan?
Dito sa Madalang People.
Si Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande. Hi. Hello.
Anong name mo, ate?
Jorge po.
Ano?
Jorge.
Ano ba? Sorry.
Jorge.
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 Taga saan si Jorge?
Taga Muntinlupa po.
Muntinlupa.
Paano yung Jorge ayon?
Jorge.
Parang saniba ni Ariana.
Hep, hep!
Jorge.
Jorge.
Yes po.
Yan, kalokalike. Bakit
Yes.
sa tingin mo
Super
kalokalike?
kapes niya at super OA at super kaboses po niya. Kaya super kalokalike. Life!
Ano, pagdating sa sa ginawa niyang talent. Kamusta?
Okay naman po. Super maganda at kuhang-kuha niya si Ariana Grande, a.k.a. AG ng Pilipinas.
Ikaw ba, a.k.a. Sino ba kalokalike mo?
Andrea Brillantes po.
Sino nagsabi sa'yo? Sino
Mga kaibigan ko po.
mga kaibigan mo?
Asan sila?
Dito. Yung mga group.
Pag sinasabi yun, nagiinuman kayo or normal kayo?
Nakainom yung mga kaibigan na sinabi na Andrea Brillantes.
So, yun yung sabi sa'yo, Ariana.
Opo.
Ariana Grande.
Tapos next day, hindi nila matanda.
Thank you. Ngayon naman, back to you guys.
Maraming salamat mga quiz. Ngayon naman ay pakinggan natin ang komento ni Jurado Maymay Entrata.
Hello po! What's up, madlang people?
Saba, mas malakas!
What's up, madlang people?
to?
Si Maymay yan.
Baka lokalike lang yan, ha?
Hindi, feeling ko siya yan.
Naku, pa-perform mo nga yung ama kabugera kung siya talaga.
Pwede ba sample lang mo kasi kung ikaw talaga si
Diyan
Maymay.
mismo sa lamesa, tatayo sa lamesa, dyan niya ipa-perform
Live na live.
natin.
Pakitaan mo.
Kung siya talaga yan.
Ikaw talaga si Maymay.
Grabe, May. Okay.
Siya ba yan? Play it!
Pwede kanta na lang. Ako'y magiging ako na aking
Bye-bye, Entrada!
Ama kabukera.
Hoy!
Ganda ko'y inaramba.
Ay!
Di magpapati, nagsasasabihin ng iba. Ama kabukera. Thank you po.
Oh, siya nga.
Si Maymay nga. Oo, may
Thank you po.
energy. Parang ama busugera eh. Ama busugera. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Kayong dalawa, ha?
Ikaw, sir. Ay, ma'am.
Ang dami.
Ma'am.
Sir! Sinir mo lang.
Sir lang.
Miss
Lang.
Sir ka raw.
Tandem pa naman kayo, di ba?
Sir, okay. Malay mo naman yung tatay niya, ganito rin outfit sa bahay. Malay mo. Malay mo yung lolo niya, ganito rin yung kinalaki.
Sorry, Miss Vice.
It's okay.
Na-overwhelmed lang po kasi ako kasi every time nandito po ako, English po ba?
Yeah, because of Ariana.
Ariana, yes.
So Ariana
Because
can
every time
understand.
I'm here in Showtime family, I always feel like I'm a part of it.
Yeah. You're part of this family.
Thank you po, ma'am. So anyways, this is really no pressure at all because I just also arrived from LA.
Jet lag din.
And then, okay, hold on, Honey Pops.
Nagkwento.
And then I really learned a lot of things out there, your mother tongue especially. So this is no pressure. Anyways, I love your look.
Thank you so much.
Your makeup, yes.
Thank you.
Your hair, yes.
Thank you.
Your yes.
Pero yung English siya parang text lang. Yung shortcuts, bahala ka nang umulawa.
Yes,
I want to give plus points if you can do this. This is very, ano po talaga. This
English,
is very,
English.
Yes, okay, hold on po. Shit. Atag po nito, this is very popular from Ariana Grande, the way she laughed. Like,
Oh, my. One more time. Tol, ganyan yung jeep na sumunod. Pinasalayan ako jeep na ganyan. Oh, yung patok na jeep sa amin, ganyan yung patok na jeep doon. Can you do it once again, Tol?
Grabe, ayaw mag-start. Ayaw mag-start.
Yan yung jeep dati.
Lumayo tayo. Lumalayo din sa kumakalas talaga eh.
Tinutulak ako nito eh.
O, di nakakatawa doon.
So, yeah.
I think she got it right.
Oh, she got it right.
Yes po. Congratulations.
Thank
Thank you
you.
po. God bless you.
Yeah, maraming salamat, Hurado Maymay. Kaya ng mga Hurado, maaari nyo nang ibigay inyong hatol kay Dane Aguirre ng Ariana Grande ng Makati City.
Thank you, Dane Aguirre, Ariana
Thank you.
Grande.